In this video, I'm going to be explaining market structure on the smaller time frame. So right here, we're on the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we created a high right here. So you can see we created a high, and then we created this low right here. And after that, we broke structure, breaking above this high. And as you can see, after we broke above this high, price did not retest after breaking above it. It just expanded higher. And then we created a high right here. And then we created a low. And then this is an intrastructural high and low within the range high and low. So it's kind of insignificant. And then we created this high. Now, after that, the moment price dropped below this low right here, that is a break of structure within this structural low and the structural high. So this is a swing low and this is the overall swing high. But within this swing low and swing high, we have structures in this leg. And that same way within this structural swing low and swing high, you can see how price has been trending to the downside. This is our high, and then we created a low right here. We created this low right here, and after that we created this high right here, and after that we created a low, and after that we created a high right here, and then we created a low. So as you can see right here, we're trending to the downside. Right here, we were trending to the upside until price broke structure right here within this swing low and swing high. So, but it doesn't mean that the overall market structure on the monthly and weekly and daily is bearish. It doesn't mean it's bearish. But within the swing low and the swing high legs, now if I'm looking for sells, I'll only be interested in the sell once this low gets broken. I'll be looking for price to come up a bit into this inefficiency, and I'll look for sells to go to the downside to run this sell side liquidity. Now, once it takes this low, I'm just going to have to close the trade because there's no telling where we will see a potential rejection of this key level, because this key level right here could be a point of interest for price to reverse, because we're still on the daily. If you look at the daily, you can see that we're still within this swing low and swing high leg, and this is still a bearish leg. But on the 4-hour, you can see that we are trending to the downside, showing bearishness. So understanding this is going to help you know how to take intraday sells, intraday buys. Even though the overall market structure could be bullish or bearish, you can use this understanding of the intraday structures to know where the market structure is going to go for the day and where to take your trades and where to exit your trades. So in the next video, I'm going to go more in depth for your understanding of how to trade using price action.